How does I have no mouth but I must scream end? Well, you see, throughout the book, all 5 humans try to find an ice cave where apparently canned food is stored, since AIM gave Numdog a vision about this food. So all 5 humans started their journey to this ice cave, and when they found this food, they realized they couldn't open this canned food since they didn't have a can opener. Devastated by this fact, Benny started to eat Gorista's face. And in this moment of hero violence, Ted remembered that even though they can't delete themselves, that they can't delete each other. So Ted takes an ice spear and together with Alan kills all the remaining humans before killing Alan himself. Afterwards he tries to delete himself, but AIM stops him, furious of what Ted has done. So as an act of revenge and as a way to still act out his cruel revenge against humanity, he makes it for Ted impossible to delete himself by transforming him into a slug-like creature. But Ted is not the only person who is trapped in this hellhole. M is also now unable to act out his revenge against humanity, since now 4 of the last 5 remaining humans are dead, and now the last remaining human couldn't even be considered a human. And since he doesn't want him to stop breathing, he took away Ted's mouth, and without a mouth he cannot scream, and without screaming he can't make his suffering known, making it for AIM unable to hear Ted's cry of despair, which was AIM's only gratification and remaining purpose all these years prior. And now both of them have nothing but themselves. Both of them are trapped together in man's created hell.